Like every Fijian, we were disturbed to see the video that emerged of what appears to be the abuse of two men who at this stage we understand to be recaptured prisoners. A thorough investigation to establish the circumstances of this incident has been ordered. We want to stress from the outset that no one should prejudice this investigation by speculating on what happened. We need to formally establish the precise facts, and we are determined to do so. At this stage, what we can say is that some international reporting on this incident is wrong. We know that the men who appear on this video are not the prisoners who escaped from Naboro last year. We have already established this. Let us also state that the Fijian security agencies have worked tirelessly over the past years to give protection and security to ordinary Fijians who suffered through constant home evasions, invasion, robberies, and violent and wanton crimes. These crimes were perpetrated by a group of criminals with impunity and who had absolutely no regard for the lives of ordinary Fijians, respect for basic human dignity and the law. That said, what is on the video requires investigation. The procedure of the investigation we will follow is similar to those followed when complaints have been lodged against police officers in other jurisdictions, such as Australia, South Africa, USA, and New Zealand. Therefore, we are not prepared to speculate on the identities of those involved. Again, as so not to prejudice the investigation, but we can assure you that we are determined to expeditiously resolve this issue, and indeed, our investigation has already commenced.